Hi, I'm Nicole Skian, and today I'm here with Roscoe, and we're going to teach you to leave it. Leave it's a really, really important one. It simply means if you see something on the ground, don't touch it. Leave it's really good for things like chicken bones on the street, and trust me, if you live in the city, this is a legit concern that you might have. Or out in the country, we worry about things like horse poop or deer poop. Those are all good causes for leave it. Or maybe in your house, you don't want them to touch something on your counter. All of those are times that you would use leave it. So to teach leave it, we actually want to start with treats in both hands, in our left hand and our right hand. And we want the dog to know it. So do you see them? There they are. Do you want snackies? Oh, there's a free one. All good, little dropsy today. Here we are. With snacks in both our left and our right hand, you want to take your hands shoulder width apart. To do this, I do 2 thumbs up, point to my shoulders, and then the hands come right down to the dog's side. And you actually want to let your dog start chewing on treats. When the dog is engaged in the treat, you want to tell them, leave it. And when they look at the other hand, you give them a treat. So you say it once, leave it. Good boy. And as soon as he pulls off of that treat, you treat from the other hand. Leave it. Good boy. Bonus points because he looks in my eyes. I love when a dog decides to look in my eyes when I don't tell him to do it. It's kind of one of those really awesome little bonuses. Leave it. Good boy. So this is your practice for week 1 of leave it. You just want to get your dog leaving one hand and going to the other hand to look for the treat. Now, what you don't want to do is tell your dog, leave it, and then pull the treat away from him like this. It doesn't actually teach him anything. You want your dog to do this of his own free will. So when you say leave it, get ready to wait, because if you have a dog that's totally new to this, they might sit there and just kind of like lick at your hand for a little bit. But it's your job to have the willpower to wait them out. And then when they do leave it, you give them the treat. One more. Leave it. Good boy. So when you can say leave it and your dog pulls back and looks at you, or if they look like they're watching a tennis match and they sort of bounce between hand to hand to hand to hand, you're ready for the next step, which we'll talk about next week. I'm Nicole, this is Roscoe, and we'll be back next week to work some more leave-its.